Collmer. I'm a business consultant. I specialize in business development through relationships. And today I have with me Kyle Madison of ADT Security Alarm Systems. And he recently attended my Room Full of Referrals event. And so we just wanted to ask him some quick questions about his experience. So Kyle, first of all, what interested you about attending the event in the first place?
Well, I'm in a B&I chapter, obviously, with you, and I've heard a lot of great testimonials from fellow members as far as going into this and learning some new networking and marketing techniques, and also how to enhance referrals within their business. So I figured, hey, I got to be a part of this, and so I decided to sign up and give it a shot.
Awesome. And what was maybe your biggest aha or something that you took away from the learning?
Well, one of the things that I learned about it that I thought was pretty amazing was relationship building based on learning different people's behaviors and personalities, because I'm kind of an outgoing, kind of a boisterous kind of a personality, and I might be a little overwhelming to somebody who's a little bit more of a nurturer, a little bit more quiet, maybe introverted. And so it taught me some ways of being able to approach everybody in a similar fashion, get to know a little bit about their personality, and be able to create stronger relationships and other levels of trust, being able to relate with them more on their own personality basis.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And how do you think this is going to enhance what you do, not just in B&I, but also in your business life?
Well, that's a good question. It's already had an effect. So
awesome.
I was with an older couple this last weekend, and they were very, very quiet, and they were very nervous. They had some burglaries in their area. They'd lived in their area for about 40 years, and they were real quiet and kind of scared and kind of timid, and I took a very relaxed, very mellow approach with them and created good rapport with them, and was able to get a very high ticket sale, but more importantly I was able to take care of them and make them happy.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And what would you tell someone who was maybe thinking about going to the Room Full of Referrals event but wasn't sure if it was going to benefit them? What would you tell them?
Well, without trying to sound cliche, I would probably tell them that thinking about it has never made anybody any money. So I would say to definitely give it a shot. It's something that's eye-opening, and it definitely offers some new perspectives on relationship building, referral generation, and also being able to increase your client relations as a salesperson, whether you represent products or services.
Great. Anything else that you want to share?
I would just say it was a bomb. It was a lot of fun. Had a good time. Did some chatting with some new people within the group, and created some relationships even at the group that I think will be long-standing as well. So I really appreciate it, and it was very educational.
Fantastic. Well, thank you, Kyle, for being with us today.
Anytime.
Yeah, and if you are interested in attending the next Room Full of Referrals event, you can check out my website, contracosta.asentiv.com. We'll see you soon.